Yes, uncle.
Gayatri, I spoke to the priest. Even he is saying that the auspicious date is in this week. After that, you'll have to wait for 6 months. Got it?
Fine. Thank you.
Why are you thanking me? Let me know. If you have taken any decision about Madhurima, please tell me. Even she is still unmarried. Got it?
Yes. Okay, fine. Greetings.
Bless you, bless you.
The bride's family's priest is right. If the wedding doesn't take place this week, then there's no auspicious date for next 6 months. Then it's finalized. The wedding will take place this week.
Don't believe in horoscopes and so on. I believe that every day is a day which is made by God. So wait a little. We'll host a grand wedding.
You don't believe, but others do, right? Mr. KK, what's the harm if the wedding takes place on an auspicious date? Even that day is made by God. Everyone will be pleased too.
Fine, madam. If you are saying, then I will agree. But you must heed one request of mine too.
What is it?
Madam, they want the wedding as per Bihari tradition.
Okay.
But they are not aware of the tradition. Their last 2 generations stayed abroad. So, your role in the wedding is very important. Being with the bride's family, you need to supervise the entire rituals.
Exactly. I was telling the same to her.
Mr. KK, I will not be able to do this. My feelings... I request you, don't force me for this.
So you don't consider KK's family to be your family?
No,
Mr. Reddy is absolutely right.
Siddhant? Purva, you were waiting for Siddhant, right? Here he is.
We are family after all, right? And this can also be a medium to understand Karthik well. I mean, everybody will get a chance to know each other.
Please agree, Mom. It would be exciting.
Aunt, you have to agree to this.
okay, as everybody is insisting, then it's okay. I'll take up all the responsibilities of the rituals of the wedding.
Thank you, Miss Sinha. Thank you.
On the orders of Karthik Reddy, Dinesh Swami had sabotaged the plane.
Congratulations.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much.
Shall we leave? We have a lot of work to do and we have very less time.
True. Let's go.
We are leaving, Miss Sinha.
Okay, please. Greetings.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
So, Karthik, take care of yourself. You're going to get married now.
Of course, Miss Sinha. Bye, Purva.
Bye.
Take care. See you.
Bye, Anushka.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Anushka. Bye, dear.
Bye,
Take care
Aunt.
of
Take
yourself.
care. In the morning, you were adamantly saying that you don't believe in astrologers and horoscopes. And by evening, you have changed your mind. In fact, you have even convinced your mom that this is a chance to get to know each other. Why? Why do you want to know about my family?
I'm not doing this for Karthik's wedding. I'm doing this for my wedding. And moreover, I promised you that as a groom, I'll take the bride away.
So go ahead, take the bride away. As you are helping in getting one bride to our family, then you have the right to take one home.
What do you mean?
I mean, you are from the bride's side.
When did that happen?
Well, right now we have decided that on behalf of the bride's family, your mom will take care of all the rituals.
Okay.
So, in that way, you belong to the bride's side. And remember that I'm from the groom's side. So, better show some respect while talking to me. Get it?
Anu, shall we leave?
Yes, I'm coming. Good night to the bride's family.
Good night to the groom's family. Come.
Let's go.
Was Karthik really behind sabotaging the plane?
Greetings, Miss Sinha.
Greetings. Come, please come. Come, dear, come.
A hearty welcome to you all.
Hey, come on. Your place is now in my heart. No need to always take my blessings.
No, not her. She's the bride. The priest will do the rituals for her. He will apply turmeric and vermilion on her forehead. Mrs. Reddy, I hope the priest is...
He is on the way.
Mrs. Gayatri, I just spoke to the priest.
Okay, fine.
Miss Gayatri, in no time you join the bride's family side.
It was you who said...
KK is just joking. I'm very happy that you assisted the bride's family.
Please come.
Ah.
Come this way.
I didn't know such good-looking people are also coming with the bride's family.
Now you very well know.
What makes you so happy? I was talking about Vedant.
Thank you.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू